Welcome to HomePan TriPro. Today, we are taking a deep dive into a kitchen gadget that promises to change the way you cook in smaller spaces. Whether you are living in a tiny apartment, preparing for a camping trip, or just need an extra burner for the holidays, the 1800-watt single-burner electric ceramic cooktop is a contender you need to consider. Let us start with the design. This unit is remarkably compact and lightweight. Measuring about 14 inches deep and 11 inches wide, it fits almost anywhere. The build quality feels solid, featuring a black microcrystalline stone top that is designed to be scratch and abrasion resistant. It looks sleek on a countertop and, more importantly, it is incredibly easy to wipe down once it has cooled off. What really sets this apart from induction cooktops is the technology. Because this is a ceramic infrared cooker, you are not limited to special magnetic cookware. You can use iron, aluminum, stainless steel, ceramic, copper, or even heat-resistant glass, provided they have a flat bottom. This versatility is a massive win if you do not want to replace your entire kitchen set just to use a portable stove. Plus, for those concerned about electromagnetic radiation, this ceramic technology offers a more traditional heating experience without that magnetic field. When it comes to performance, this little device packs a punch with 1,800 watts of power. It heats up quickly, often faster than conventional gas or electric stoves you might find in older homes. You get 9 power levels ranging from 200 to 1,800 watts, and 9 temperature settings between 176 and 510 degrees Fahrenheit. Whether you need a gentle simmer for a sauce or a high heat for searing a steak, it handles the task with ease. The LED sensor touch controls are intuitive, and I appreciate the inclusion of a timer that you can set anywhere from 1 minute up to 4 hours. Safety is clearly a priority here. The unit includes a child safety lock to prevent accidental adjustments, which is a great touch for family environments. Additionally, after you turn it off, the built-in cooling fan stays on for a bit to dissipate heat quickly and quietly. This prevents heat buildup on your counter and helps the internal components last longer. Now, for the pros and cons. On the positive side, the flexibility of cookware types is the standout feature. You can literally grab any pot or pan from your cupboard and get to work. It is highly efficient, portable, and the touch controls make it feel like a modern appliance. On the negative side, because it stays hot for a short period after cooking, you do have to be mindful not to touch the surface until it cools down, unlike some induction units that stay cool to the touch. Overall, if you are looking for a reliable, powerful, and versatile cooking solution that does not require an expensive cookware upgrade, this is a fantastic investment for your home or travel kit. It strikes a perfect balance between power, convenience, and safety. If you want to check the current pricing and availability, I have included all the details below. Link in the description.